Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our school. We're excited to have you. This video is our open house. So we are going to show you into the hallway to our cubbies and then our classroom. That way you guys can see our classroom and then get to know us a little bit more. So here we go.
Hi guys, come on in.
This is our hallway. So when parents drop you off, you are going to get to sit on these benches and wait for everybody to come in. Got a little welcome back sign for those that have been here. Yes, we're going to get ready to walk on down the hall and up the steps. Here we go. Right, now we're at the top of the steps and we're going to go to our cubbies. You see your cubbies are already full with backpacks. These backpacks you get to take home with yourself. They have supplies in them that you'll get to use. Parents, we also have our paperwork that you will have to sign inside them. You are more than welcome to bring your own backpack if you would like, but you get to take these ones home. Now we're going to head to our classroom.
Hey guys, here's our classroom. Come on in.
Oh, wow, there's so much here. So we just came into the door, our first stop. We will go this way. Look at all these exciting areas. We have I bet you guys know what this area is. Take a guess. That's right, it's our art area. Next, we have some of our friends' personal favorite, the safe space. Let's keep moving. We have our reading nook. Oh, and this, I know some of you know what this area is too. What do you think that is? That's right, our writing area. So let's keep going. This area is two different areas in one. Can you guess what two areas are in this particular spot? Oh, I see some trucks and blocks. That's right, it's our block area, but it's also our circle time. And next to that, we have our technology center. Next to that is our music center. Oh, and here's a big favorite. Look how big this area is. It's a little messy. I've been working and getting things ready for you guys. And look, here's Miss Randy's mess. Yeah, she's messier than I am, I know. I tried telling her to clean it up. All right, so back to our area here. What area do you think this is? That's right, it's our house area. I bet you guys see some really exciting toys you can't wait to play with and explore. Oh, what's this area? What is this area? Oh man, look at all that. That is our science area. Lots of things waiting for you to discover. And then there's also our light cube and some accessories you can use with it. Oh my. So I bet you guys are as excited as we are because we cannot wait to get you in here and play with us. I'm so glad you got to explore the room with us today. It's very cool. It's so much bigger in person. So wait until you get here. It's going to be great.
We're going to have fun.
All right, guys. So we will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.